Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix incompatible Windows settings error in Bluestacks 5 or Bluestacks 10. Let's fix it guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video guys. Click on this go to site. You just need to click on the description link. It will be open like this and click on this go to site. It will be automatically downloads up. After getting download done, click on this file folder, show in folder, and after getting this you just need to install it guys. Double click on it, click on S. Now wait for it until this installation finish. You just need to click on this restart now option and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video guys. Right click on it and select copy it and tap the bar, right click and eject and paste it. Press enter and it will be enabling features. Wait for it. The operation successfully completed. Now you just need to restart your PC guys. Do you want to restart the computer? You just need to type here, press in keyboard Y. After restarting your PC, now you just need to locate the Bluestacks installer guys. In my case I have in downloads. Now you just need to right click on the Bluestacks installer. Before installing it, you just need to right click on the Bluestacks installer and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and checkmark compatibility mode. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this step, now you just need to install the Bluestacks and check your problem solved or not. If you still having a problem, then you just need to go to search menu and type Windows features. Opens up tan Windows feature on or off. Open it. Now in here you just need to navigate these items guys. You just need to check mark these options in here guys. Hyper-V, check mark it, and VirtualMachinePlatform. You just need to navigate this and check mark it guys. VirtualMachinePlatform, check mark it, and Windows Hypervisor platform, check mark it, and Windows Sandbox, check mark it, and Windows Subsystem for Linux. You just need to check mark it. After check mark these items in the list, you just need to click on OK for the Windows will download these files for you guys. Now wait for it, this will take time to finish it. After finishing this process, you just need to restart now guys. Click on restart now and restart it guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. You can install Bluestacks without any problems guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.